Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, things are getting heated in some rural parishes between passengers and taxi operators over the new fare increase.
At least one incident has gone viral, showing a taxi operator and a schoolgirl clashing over what the new fare should be.
Kalisha Williams reports.
We cannot verify the authenticity of this video, and it's not clear in which community it was captured. But the driver appears to be on his way to Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The video has since gone viral on social media.
Driver, Angela for your fare.
Girlfriend, fare raise and Angela for your fare. We are arguing about
Driver,
fare.
I know all the way all about me I go.
Miss, a 180 go all over 150 come as for students. And 200 come as for adults. They are giving me $100.
But the government has made it clear that children, senior citizens, and the disabled should get a 50% discount. So the students would be right. If the driver is charging $200 for adults, then the fare for students would be $100. However, the video is just one of many cases of persons not being clear on the new rates for vulnerable groups.
Oh, we don't have any special rate. Whatever the government set, that's what we do. Whatever fare they set, whatever percentage we get, that's what we work with.
Students in Mandeville, Manchester were understanding.
I believe that an increase would be fair to them. Maybe not as fair to us, but we'll have to work with it. Yes.
How much you paid previously? How much are you required to pay now?
Well, I had to pay $150 if I was going over, and now I have to pay, I think it's $160 or $170.
However, this elderly man in St. Thomas also had questions.
When it was $120, $130, they don't give back no fee, they don't give back the $20. So now it comes to $180. It shouldn't be so.
We unsuccessfully tried to get a comment from the Transport Authority to see whether there have been reports of persons being overcharged since the new fare increase. However, President of the Eastern St. Thomas Taxi Association, Kirk Brown, is making this appeal to his colleagues.
Follow by the guideline of the Transport Authority and the Minister of Transport and collect the correct fare. I know there's a new fare sheet out, and I'm just encouraging even the passenger, when you are taking public transport, come with your correct fare so that we do not have problem, especially making change, especially with some of these huge currency.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.